Welcome to Daraz University, hub for e-commerce education. In this video, you will learn how to customize and improve the layout of your store using our new exciting features, the Store Builder tool. Let's get started and set up the homepage for your Daraz shop. Log into your Seller Center. Go to the Store tab. You will arrive at the Store Builder Editor page. On the left hand of your Store Builder Editor page, you will see clickable tabs which can be used to customize or design specific parts of your store display page. These clickable tabs include Mobile PC View, an option for different views for mobile store page and PC store page. This option can be used to customize and design your store layout for the mobile version and PC version separately. You can also keep the display settings same for mobile and PC so that you do not have to design both versions. Page template, an option giving you several templates to help you start designing and customizing your store page. Category, an option which you can use to showcase the various level 1 categories that your products are from. Banner, an option to help you set up the banner image for your store page on Daraz. Product, an option to showcase your best-selling products or any other products you wish to highlight. Promotion, an option to help you showcase any ongoing promotions, discounts and deals that you are offering on the shop. Let's begin with designing your page template. Click on Page Template. Click on Smart Design button. Click Start on the pop-up. You will land onto a default template of your store page. You can click each segment to edit them as per your requirements. Click on Category Bar segment on top. A pop-up will slide towards your right. It will allow you to edit the selected segment. In this segment, you can edit the banner and header of your store page. Click on the Store Header tab on the right and upload your store header image. Click Confirm once you have uploaded your store header image. Next, click on Mobile Banner tab and upload the banner you would like to add. Crop the image as per the banner cropping tool. Click Confirm once your desired banner has been uploaded. Next, select a background color from the available choices of your store page. Finally, upload a brand image with your logo or brand. Crop the image as per your requirement and the recommended image resolution and then click on Confirm once uploaded. Click on Save. The changes made on the page template will be saved. Next is Category tab. Click on Category. Brand list will appear. Click on the brand list and drag and drop to where you want it on the store page. Now click on the brand list segment that you just dragged and dropped on your store page. A pop-up will slide from the right allowing you to edit the brand image. Click on Edit. Click on Upload Thumbnail to add images or logos of the brands you are selling on Daraz. Click on Add New to add more thumbnails to your brand list. Upload the brand logo and crop them to ensure the perfect visibility. You can add as many brand logos as you need. Once all your icons have been uploaded, click on Confirm to save them all. You can also choose if you want the title of the category bar to be hidden or displayed. If you want it to be displayed, checkmark the display option under title. Input the title of the brand list you want to be displayed on the front end under the English option. Next is banner for your online shop. Click on Banner tab. Step 1. You'll be presented with the various style options for your brand, including number of banners as well as placement of the banners. Step 2. Click on the banner style you would like on your store page and drag and drop it to your preferred location on the store page. Step 3. Click on the banner segment you just placed on your store page. Step 4. Select width of the banner by choosing from the options. Step 5. Click on Upload and add any banner of your choice to be displayed on your store page. Crop the banner image using the cropping tool and get the best banner. Step 6. To upload the banner, click Confirm once the banner has been cropped. Step 7. You can select whether you want the title to be displayed or hidden. Make your selection. Step 8. Under English, fill in the text you want to be displayed as the title of the banner section. Click on Save to save the banner image. Your banner has been created. You can go back to the Banner tab on the left and choose to add more banner sections using the same drag and drop option as used earlier. Once you have selected the additional banner segments you want to add, you can simply follow the steps shown earlier to create the display additional banner segments on your store page. Multiple banners will help you showcase more of what you have to offer on sales on your Daraz shop. Remember, you should not repeat banners in order to keep customer interest engaged. In this multi-clickable carousel, you can add up to 6 banner images to be displayed simultaneously on your store page. Upload up to 6 banners following the same steps, and finally save the segment to ensure all your banner images have been saved and are displayed on the front end. Product. To showcase your top products or products you wish to highlight, use the Product tab on the left. Step 1. Click on the Products tab. Step 2. Click the segment style you wish to display your best products on the store page. Step 3. Once selected, drag and drop the segment. Step 4. Click on the segment you dragged and dropped to start editing your product segment. Step 5. You can choose to add a product filter or to add products manually. To add products manually, click on Manual. Step 6. Now click on Edit to add products from your existing SKUs to be displayed on the store page. Select the product and click on Confirm to save the changes to your segment. Step 7. You can choose to keep the title of this segment hidden or displayed. If you wish to display the title, click on Display. Step 8. Under English, fill in the title of the segment. Step 9. Click Save to save all the changes to your segment. You can always change highlighted or showcased products you want to display on your store page by simply following the steps shown earlier and selecting new products after deselecting the previous products you wish to showcase. You can add more than one segment to showcase your products. This can be extremely useful for keeping your store page uncluttered and provide a better visual experience to your customers on the Raz. You can use multiple product segments to showcase various products on the same category in each segment. Promotion. Finally, we can come to the Promotions tab. You can use this tab to provide customers on your store page exclusive vouchers to be redeemed at your shop. Step 1. Click on Promotions tab on the left. Step 2. Select whether you want the system to automatically display existing vouchers you have created, or select manually to select the vouchers you want to display on your store page. Step 3. Once you have made your choice, click on Save to save and display the promotion segment on your store page. All segments of your store page have been created. You can choose to preview the PC or mobile version of your store layout by clicking the preview button at the bottom of the screen. Click on mobile to see how your store will look when accessed by a smartphone. If you are happy with the final result, click on Publish. If you wish to make any further changes, you can click on Back to Editor. Back on the editor platform, you can choose to apply the mobile layout to your PC layout, as well as allowing you to save time and keep the same store page on both platforms. To copy your mobile layout to PC, click Apply to Desktop and then click Confirm. Your settings will be copied on PC platform. You can save the version of the store layout by clicking on Save As. Once you are satisfied, click on Publish and then Now Released to roll out the changes on both PC and mobile platforms. You will receive a pop-up notification when the changes have been deployed successfully, and you will also receive a QR code to review new store layout. You can choose to share the QR on social media platforms to increase traffic on your shop on the Raz. Your store page has been created accordingly to the layout you wanted. Hope you find the tutorial helpful. Enjoy the Store Builder tool and decorate your store. Thank you.